That's 1 day.
Now
It's marked as 1 day.
The flash disk the flash disk itself marks as 1 day.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, Madam Chair, did I get that right?
Yes.
No, our flash disk there are 2 flash disks. To distinguish them, only one is marked B, just to distinguish from the earlier one. There's no 2 flash, so we just marked one B to distinguish it. It has only one video clip of less than 2 minutes.
Check again, Secretariat. 1B.
No, just B.
It's marked just B.
B for boy.
Secretariat, confirm.
Just for the record, Mr. Mugambi, your constituency is Buri constituency.
You are quite right.
At paragraph 3C, you complain about an allegation made against the member for Central Imenti constituency.
Correct.
At paragraph 3D, you complain about an allegation made against the member for South Imenti constituency.
Correct.
Is there any allegation made against the member for Buri constituency in a similar fashion?
No.
Thank you so much. Have you seen any clip of being played or in your record of documents or material where the governor allegedly promises to get the member for Central Imenti constituency Amwiru?
As I said, I share a lot of information as a caucus with the other members of parliament, and I believe there's a possibility, yes.
You know, if they can't get B, are they able to retrieve the video marked KMV12B? I just cross-check whether it may have related content. KMV12B in the flash disk from which they were playing the other videos.
Secretariat, can you check KMV12B? Counsel, can you wind up your cross-examination?
You know, I don't know whether the clip was not found because
the first one was not found, and your counsel is already there. He's confirmed it's not there, so they are looking out now for the second one you've requested.
Just for the record, please confirm that in fact, Meru County has 11 elected members of parliament and not 10.
As I said, the members of parliament present, they included women rep and the senator. We have
Is that
2
an answer to my
members.
question, by any chance?
We have 11 elected members of parliament, but the members of parliament present that day were 10.
And I don't know what the information from the secretary is regarding the clip. Otherwise, I'll have to rest at that point because the next question was supposed to come from the clip.
Is the clip there? Have you found the flash disk? We might have to move on. Are you able to phrase the question without you remind him what was the content of the clip?
Do you remember the event you attended where the Honorable Mpuri Aburi made sexual slurs using a stick called kibiriri? What they are going to do with the governor with that stick? Do you remember that meeting?
There are so many meetings we have attended. Which one is particular?
I'm talking about a particular one where the Honorable Mpuri Aburi described what they were going to do to the governor using the kibiriri stick. A particular meeting where that was made.
I have attended many, that's what I'm saying.
Of all those meetings had Mpuri Aburi making a sexual slur at what they were going to do to the governor using the kibiriri stick.
I am not aware of them.
And in the absence of the video clip, I am hamstrung. I would have wished that the witness sees himself saying they support what Mburi Aburi has said.
Okay. Just 1 minute, we reconfirm with the Secretariat whether the clip is there.
May I have my assistant allowed in the Secretariat team just to see whether they can show them the video?
He's already there. He's working with the Secretariat team. He's up there. Council, they are checking out for it. We will indulge you to return that question if it is found. Have you found it? Yes. We will indulge you to come back when the
Thank you so much.
Found.
I'm
so
humbled.
we can do the re-exam, and that will be done in 5 minutes.
I'm humbled.
So, Council for the county, can you do the re-examination? 5 minutes.
Honorable Rindikiri,
Yes, Council.
to the best of your knowledge, does the governor have any justification for this constant reference to MPs as cartels, greedy, watu wa tumbo zao, and all the other insults?
A good governor will move with 12 members of parliament and 59 members of county assembly.
My question, sir, to the best of your knowledge and conscience, has the governor ever had any justification for this war against MPs?
Actually, it's a surprise that she can pick issues with the members of parliament.
Do you know anything the MPs have done as a group to warrant this collective vilification every weekend?
I'm not aware of any.
Are you aware of any complaint lodged by the Honorable Kawira with the state agency that deals with cartelism? Has she ever launched any complaint
I'm not aware
before
of any.
the Competition Authority of Kenya against any MP?
I'm not aware of anything.
To the best of your knowledge, what was the interpretation? I think that's the video Mr. Ongwaya was referring to, Mr. Speaker. I don't know how we proceed given he had been promised some indulgence. I think I can allow him to put the question, then I can, if you permit, of course.
Okay, let the video be played.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I feel relieved.
Yes. Ya kwamba tumetoseka kutawaliwa vibaya na mkora asiosiba anafaa kuongezwa akatoka kwa tumbo na simiti na mawe ndio asisikie njaa tena.
Did that witness just say wamechoka kuongozwa na mkora anafaa kuongezwa katoto kwa tumbo na simiti na mawe?
That is Polo's statement.
I didn't get that. Your answer?
That is Polo's statement from what I'm gathering.
Saying, did that speaker, that Mburi, make that statement that I've just said?
I've said, Mr. Speaker, That is Boro speaking.
That
He has
Mpuri,
spoken those ones.
that Mpuri is a member of your caucus, the caucus you come to represent here. True or not true?
And that's true.
Did your member make that statement I have just said? Anafaa awekwe katoto kwa tumbo na simiti na mawe?
I'll have to cross-check that because I don't know how katoto can be put in a komawe.
Oh, honorable member.
Mr. Speaker, you know, from where I come from, speaking about sexuality, you know, makes me a bit shy.
You're just supposed to confirm what has been said.
Yes, that's what he has said.
Thank you. Let's proceed. Proceed playing.
Kaweramba, Baemba, lakini tunataka kiti ya mtuma apewe, kiti yake andipute yake, magari rudishwe, security apewe, kila kitu apewe, na kiti ya finance, kiti ya pesa apewe. Ndio ndaya la kebeli. Ndio kuna mkomano wa mera arome anga kwa bila.
What is that speaker
Council,
saying?
you have 3 minutes to conclude.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I'll be done. What is that speaker saying? The person speaking.
From what I can lead, this is why I've come with this stick to insert and stare Kawela, the Satan who has defeated men.
Proceed playing.
That's
Kwa hivyo sisi tunaunga mkono hilo mjadala umeletwa na Mheshimiwa Mporo na
We have seen. Mr. Speaker.
Order, senators.
Thank you so much. No. So, Speaker, the members may understand why I was a bit frustrated when this video couldn't be played. Ms. Mpuri Aburi is not filing a motion before the county assembly, is he, to your knowledge?
Mr. Speaker, I seek your indulgence, sir, because there is a section...
Honorable Mugambe, is it a yes or no, so that we make progress?
Honorable Mpuri Aburi is not filing a motion before the county assembly, is he? He's not taking the motion before the county assembly.
He is speaking to the public.
The only thing, the motion we have had him is, before I go there, but do you know that stick that he's holding in his hand is a common stick in Meru community? Do you know it?
An African item.
Yes, what is it called in Meru?
Kibiri.
Kibiri, good. The motion he has done are two, to demonstrate what he's going to use that kibiri for, and two, the other motion is the deputy governor must be given the finance docket. Those are the two things he has spoken about there.
Yeah.
Is that not true?
See...
is that true or not true? That he has spoken about two things.
Mr.
Inserting the kibiri in the governor, I'm being now gross because those are the words he used, and two, the deputy governor getting the finance docket. Are those the two things you've spoken about?
Mr. Speaker, members of the Senate, I think that translation is not correct. It is not correct.
What is the correct translation?
It is not correct. What it has been there, what
is the correct
council
translation?
elected me to do is to read what was written there, but the interpretation and the translation is different.
What is the correct translation?
Just repeat it.
Could we replay just a few minutes there when Honorable Mpuri Aburi is speaking in Meru?
Honorable Mugambe, if you say it's not correct, it means you have the correct version.
Yes.
So proceed to tell us, what does it mean?
Mr. Speaker, members of the Senate, the stake that Mpuri Aburi is holding is supposed to be for stealing porridge.
Correct.
Not sexuality.
But what is he saying? What is he saying he will do with it?
Honorable Mugambe, just tell us what the Honorable Mpuri Aburi is saying. What is he saying in that video? You've had it played.
It was very fast. That's why I needed it to be repeated.
And apart from seeing the video, I can see you were there.
Yes,
so
I was
you
there.
have the benefit of having listened.
Because there are two matters, Mr. Speaker, and that's why I was seeking your indulgence. That we were speaking about the creation of the county.
No, what did Honorable Mpuri say?
Mpuri said that he's going to use that stake to steer some things from the governor. That's, yeah.
Proceed, Counsel.
When he talked about to steer, he talked about the governor by name, didn't he?
Correct.
Thank you. And you stood up to support that motion by Honorable Mpuri expressly in your words.
Mr. Speaker, that is not true. That is not true. That clip is cut because what I was supporting is the agenda for subdivision of Meru County into Nyambene County and Meru County into two.
In that clip, we don't see, sorry, in that clip, at least has been played, we don't see subdivision of Meru County into two as an agenda. Do we see it?
I am not the author.
Do we see it? We have just looked at it. Do we see it?
I am not the author.
Mr. Speaker, that doesn't answer my question, or not we see it. Do we see the agenda of subdivision of Meru County into two, or in any other form of subdivision of Meru County as an agenda in that, of the speeches there that we have looked at?
Mr. Speaker, I've just seen the clip. This is my first time to see that clip, but what I know, and because I was there, the agenda was on top of the other agendas. What I was supporting...
Honorable Mugambi, the question is, in this particular clip that has been played, do you see that agenda of splitting to two counties being discussed?
From this clip, no.
Would supporting those sexual slurs, as you expressly say in that clip, be conduct befitting a member of parliament and a leader like you?
Mr. Speaker, again I said I did not support that item.
That will be all in my cross-examination.
Thank you. Now, Counsel.